Assalamualaikum. I'm Hamzah Haziq bin Muhammad Nizam, 80 DKM3A Today I would like to show how to make a vacuum cleaner.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mia Rafael dari Saudi. Number matric 08 DKM21F1009.
Firstly, the plastic bottle is cut into half. Be careful while using the knife because it's a sharp. Second, the fan blade draw on the aluminium can. Third, the fan blade is cut according to the fan blade drawing. Then, the fan blade is attached to the DC motor. Make sure it's attached tightly. The DC motor is installed into the plastic bottle. Make sure the DC motor is a fit in plastic bottle. Furthermore, a cloth is fixed to a plastic bottle. Next, wire pipe is assembled to the bottle cap. Make sure the pipe can be bent. Lastly, the DC motor with wires are connected with a battery to switch on. Make sure the positive and negative is connected correctly.